Interaction diagrams are essential for visualizing how objects in a system collaborate to achieve a goal. In this tutorial, we'll explore how these diagrams represent control flow and system logic. To start, let's address the most fundamental question. What is a UML interaction diagram? These diagrams are a subset of behavior diagrams used to visualize the dynamic behavior of a system. How interaction diagrams represent control flow and logic is through a visual timeline of messages. They reveal not just which objects exist, but exactly how they communicate to complete a process. There isn't just one way to view an interaction. There are the four types of interaction diagrams: sequence, communication, timing, and interaction overview diagrams. Sequence diagrams are the most popular, focusing on the chronological order of messages. Communication diagrams, formerly known as collaboration diagrams, prioritize the physical organization and relationships between the objects themselves. For time-sensitive systems, timing diagrams show state changes over a linear scale. Interaction overview diagrams help manage complexity by providing a bird's-eye view of how different interactions link together. Understanding the how is important, but why should your team take the time to build them? Let's look at the benefits of using interaction diagrams. These diagrams help you spot bottlenecks before writing a single line of code. They act as a source of truth, ensuring developers and stakeholders stay aligned on system requirements. To build these effectively, you need to speak the language of UML. This starts with key symbols for interaction diagrams and understanding message types for interaction diagrams. Common symbols include lifelines, represented by vertical dashed lines, and various message arrows. Solid arrows with filled heads represent synchronous calls, while open arrowheads show asynchronous signals. Beyond arrows, activation bars show when an object is busy. If an object is no longer needed, use a destroy signal, typically an X at the bottom of a lifeline. With the basics covered, you might wonder how to choose and draw the right interaction diagram for your project. The answer depends on your specific goals. If you need to show the exact timing of events, go with a sequence diagram. If the structural arrangement of your system matters more, choose a communication diagram to visualize those connections. Once you've chosen, simply open a template or the UML shape library in Lucidchart. Drag your lifelines out, add message arrows, and use our intelligent diagramming features to keep everything aligned. Now that you've mastered interaction diagrams, you're ready to bring more clarity to your complex systems. Sign up for a free account and start building in Lucidchart today.